talk to me about pillows.
This is a whole podcast on its own, but I will give you the top lines with regard to pillows. So buying a pillow can be a complete nightmare, ironically, and really what you're looking for is a pillow that fits you like a glove. So it depends on what position you sleep in, how broad you are, your budget and your personal preference. And pillows are normally divided into 3 sections. They're either the memory foam style pillows. You either love them or you hate them. They can make you hot and sweaty. In the summer, they're a bit more hard. Sorry, in the summer, they're a bit more soft. In the winter, they're a bit more hard. They're like Marmite type substances. People either love them or hate them. Then there's the feather or feather and down style pillow. These are more luxurious, more sumptuous, more comfortable. They last a long time. They're a bit more expensive, but if you've got allergies, they're really not ideal. But most people who like a luxurious setting love those sorts of pillows, and they also shape around your neck and you can contour them. And the last style of pillow tends to be microfiber, which is the more modern fibre. These are much cheaper. You need to replace them more often. They are hypoallergenic and they are washable. The only problem is you might get a bit hot and sweaty, and some people don't like the feel of them. But the great thing about them is they actually have got technology has come on so much now. They've got a feather-like kind of sensation, so they can give you that sensation of the feathers and down without the downside of feather and down. So really buying a pillow is a massive, again, a bit like buying a bed, it's a massive thinking. And many of my patients have gone out and bought loads and loads of pillows, and they're trying loads and loads of different pillows. I think it's worth spending money, again, on pillows, because getting a good night's sleep is so important.
And what's the lifespan of a pillow?
So it depends on which fabric it is. When you're looking at feather and down, you're looking at 2 to 3 years. If you're looking at a microfiber, you're looking at somewhere like 6 to 8 months. I encourage patients who buy microfiber pillows to replace them frequently. There's nothing like a fabulous new pillow in the bedroom. I once did a podcast with a man who'd kept his pillow for 53 years, and I was horrified. All I could think about were the bugs in that pillow, the sweat, all of the dust mites, all of the stuff
You get
in
attached
the
to
pillow.
your pillow, don't you?
Everyone has their favourite pillow.
I'm horrified.
But you do need to replace your pillow frequently.
Cannot confess to any
I
pillow
didn't know that
stories. Wow. I didn't think so. Some of them you get rid of within a year.
You do. Those are the particularly inexpensive ones, because remember the pillow's importance in your life is to support your head.
Yeah.
And that stuff, if you're on it for 6 to 8 hours, gets squashed down because of the loading through it. Think about cushions, they get squashed down because of the loading through it. So the fabric ends up, there's creep that happens. It's a physical thing. The creep happens, so it loses its efficacy. And there are lots of different tests that you can do to check whether your pillow's still working. But you're looking for a pillow that has that loftiness that gives you the support so that your head remains in the right position when you sleep. And if it's lost that support, a bit like a pair of shoes, if your shoes, your trainers, we tell patients to change their trainers every 3 to 6 months.
Yeah.
If your trainers have lost the support, so has your pillow. It's
yeah.
the same thinking, because you've got creep. It's the action of the gravitational forces acting down on the fibre that actually squash it, and then doesn't work anymore. It doesn't give you the support that you need.
How fascinating. Because the mattress I kind of get, but I would never really have thought about that.
Yeah. And that's an easy win. A pillow is an easy win.